Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the LinkedIn login error. Something went wrong on iPhone. Here's the 2025 working solution. First, swipe up and remove it from the recent apps, then reopen. This clears temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle the airplane mode off and on. Next, we are going to update your app. So go ahead and open your app store, search for LinkedIn, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update your account. Update your app to the latest version. Privacy tip: always sign in through the official LinkedIn app or linkedin.com to avoid phishing or fake login pages. Quick fix: if it still says something went wrong, clear Safari cookies, settings Safari, and then restart your iPhone and try again. If the error persists, log in through Safari instead of the app temporarily, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast